Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And I went clearance shopping again, guys. Now, I know I've been showing you guys different clearance deals at various stores. And I said that I was Christmas shopping in the clearance section. Well, this time I didn't Christmas shop in the clearance section. I just got clearance items for me and for my stockpile. But I got some really good deals. So we're going to go over them. I did go to a giant food store. Some of you guys might know it as Stop and Shop, and got these deals. So everyone may not be able to do them because everyone may not have a giant or a shop and stop in their area. But if you do, make sure you check out your last chance section or your clearance section. Some people also have it as Giant Eagle. So any three of those stores, check out your clearance section or your last chance section so that you can get some of these deals. Also, be sure to go to the P&G website and clip some coupons and print them off. I wasn't able to do that because I was just in the store, and I seen that these were on clearance, and I didn't have any of my coupons with me, and I didn't print any because from the P&G website you have to use them within 24 hours of printing them, and I didn't want to go home, print the coupons, and then go back to the store and then take the chance that this stuff would be gone, because very rarely do I find this stuff on clearance. So I wanted to make sure that I was able to get it. But there are digital coupons in the Giant app. Now, I clipped my digital coupons for both of the game fireworks as well as for the 9 elements. Unfortunately, they didn't come off, but the lady at the register just took them off for me. I went through the self-scan, and they just took them off for me. I showed them that, they didn't come off. They didn't even ask to see my app or anything. They just asked me how much was supposed to come off, and I told them, and they took them off. So I don't know if maybe because they were marked down and they have those yellow stickers is the reason why the coupons didn't come off. I'm not sure. But if I were you, I would just print them off the PG app, and that way you don't have any issues. So let's go over the first item. So the first item I got was this right here, the multi-purpose 9 elements cleaner. This is a multi-purpose cleaner. Now, they had the multi-purpose cleaner and the bathroom cleaner. Both of them were on clearance. And as you can see, let me show you. So they're clearance down to $2.89. They're 50% off. So they were regularly $5.79. Now, to me, just getting them for 50% off is a good deal. But there was a $2 digital coupon, so that brought it down to 89 cents. There were some coupons in one of the inserts for these. I'm just not sure when that coupon expired. And I just wanted to hurry up, get home, and get this video done to show you guys so that you guys can run out and get this stuff. So you might want to check your inserts and see if that 9 elements coupon is still valid for you to use. The next thing that I got was the small spaces. I don't know if you guys have ever tried this, but this lilac, oh my goodness, it smells amazing. And it is a limited scent, so it only comes out, certain times. But they did have these on clearance, and you see they were marked down to $1.74. They're 50% off, $3.49. And there was not a digital coupon for that. And I know the coupon in the old P&G expired, but I'm not sure if there's a coupon in the new P&G or not, because I haven't gotten my P&G inserts as of yet. But it did come out Sunday. So if you have a P&G insert, check your insert to see if you have any Febreze coupons. And if you do, use it for that small space, because that will make your out-of-pocket much, much lower. And then the last thing that I got were the Gain fireworks. And this is the 10 ounce. Okay. And yes, they are 50% off. So those are $3.99. They were regularly $7.99. Now, in the app, there were 2 different coupons. There was a $2 off digital coupon. That's for one size, which was the I believe it was the 10 ounce and up, or 7 ounce and up, something like that. And then there's a $1 coupon for the smaller one. But both of them should have worked on this. So I explained to the lady that there was a $2 one and a $1 one in the app. But she said because I was getting the same product, she was just going to give me the $2 off of both of them. So it ended up working out for me. So with that $2 coupon, then that made these just $1.99. That's an excellent deal, guys, for these fireworks, especially for that size. But like I said, there are coupons on the P&G app or the P&G website for the fireworks and for the 9 elements. Or you may have a coupon fairy where you're able to get some of those coupons. But I'm going to go over my receipt, show you guys my receipt. But also, you want to make sure that you have the P&G Good website downloaded. If you don't, it's okay. I'm going to put the link in the description box as well as in the comments so you can download that. Because when you upload receipts with P&G products, you get points. And then you can redeem those points for gift cards. Like you can, I think you need like 750 points for a $5 Starbucks gift card or $5 Dunkin' Donuts gift card, or they have TaskRabbit on there. It's a couple of different gift cards you can get. You can get discounts on hotels. You can get free products and samples. You can donate to organizations. There's all kind of things, but you get 50 points for each P&G product, up to 250 points for each receipt. So when I submit my receipt for this is going to give me 200 points. And like I said, you only need 750 points to get a $5 gift card. And what I do is I use those gift cards for giveaways in my groups, in my couponing classes, on my Facebook page. I also use them as gifts. Christmas is coming up. Redeem a couple of those gift cards and print them out, throw them in a card, give them to someone for Christmas. And guess what? Now you've gotten a Christmas gift that you didn't even have to pay for. So you just have to be creative, guys, because there's so many ways that you can save other than using coupons. There's other ways that you can reduce other expenses and bills in your life and within your budget to help you either get out of debt or save money or whatever you're trying to do. But we're going to go over my receipt. Okay, guys, so I don't know if I confused you because I think I did. But the P&G Good website is also the website that you print off the coupons. And again, you have to use them within 24 hours if you're printing them. So I always wait till I'm on my way out the door and then I print them. Okay, so let's go over my receipt here. So here you see the Gain Flings or fireworks, each $3.99. The Febreze $1.74. The 9 Elements $2.89. You see there that she took off the $6 for the coupons. I don't know why it keeps blurring. Okay, so when you take the tax out, because you know we don't talk about tax, that means I paid $6.61 for these 4 items. Guys, I'm happy with that because if you think about it, look, these were regularly $7.99. So that's like getting a discount on this and then getting the rest for free. I say that's a pretty good deal, guys. So go ahead, make sure that you check out your last chance section and your clearance section at the grocery store. Come back, let me know if you were able to find any of these items and let me know how you did. And until the next time, keep on saving.